Let's make an eggless fruit and nut pound cake. In a bowl, take 95 gram all-purpose flour, 5 grams custard powder, 1 pinch baking powder, 1 pinch baking soda. Add fruit and nut mix. You can make it at home by chopping dry fruits of your choice, and family berry mix, which contains dried blueberries, strawberries, cranberries. Whisk all the ingredients well. Now take another bowl and whisk 45 gram butter and 30 gram castor sugar together until light and fluffy. Add 50 grams condensed milk and whisk it well. Then add 15 grams fresh cream. Add 60 grams yogurt and whisk until all the lumps are gone. Now add 20 grams honey and 4-5 drops of vanilla essence. Mix the batter well. Now fold all the dry ingredients into it using cut and fold method. Transfer the batter into piping bag. Now here I have used this bake and serve mold. You can also use greased and dusted baking tin. Now pipe the batter into the mold as shown. Garnish it with some fruit and nut of your choice and bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Look at the beautiful browning at the top of the cake. Check the cake by inserting toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means your cake is baked perfectly. Let it cool for a few minutes and slice it using a bread knife. Enjoy this beautiful cake with your friends and family and follow up for more such recipes.